Today, let's build Hornet from Hollow Knight Silk Song. Wow, just 18 pieces for this set. Let's open it up and take a look. Inside the box are 3 parts bags and 1 instruction manual. Let's flip through the manual. First, open bag 1 to build Hornet's red tunic and the base. After quickly putting the base together, attach the flowing red cape and Hornet's main body is finished. Next, following the instructions, open bag 2 to build Hornet's head. It perfectly recreates her white crescent-shaped mask. You can instantly recognize this cool, sharp Princess Knight of Hallownest at first glance. For the final step, open bag 3 to build her weapon. Hornet's whole thing is the needle and silk. That's how she fights and moves. All right, that's everything for today's build. For Hallownest, till the end.